Hello guys, week 5. Let's try to explain which is the Schwa sound. So Schwa sound, it's the most common word in English. So looking this, we can see how important it's to train and try to master this kind of pronunciation. So we can produce this schwa sound with other vowels. The most common is the vowel A and O, uh, which is composed of the sound uh, like another, amazing. Let me think another one. Another occurs, chocolate. So we need to relax our mouth to relax the tension on our tongue. So we have a lot of words that we need to pay attention because it's part of the process. A lot of words with schwa sound, so we need to stay focused. It's kind of funny because when I start to trying to speak in English, I suddenly realize that there's a lot of words that we have the schwa sound. So basically is that schwa sound is the sound. It's a relaxed sound that we produce in most of the words in English. Thank you guys. Bye.